Up this morning helping the neighbor out here, y'all. Mr. Dancing himself. So what are we dealing with? 03 Pilot. Just like mine. Folks, when you don't maintain your vehicle, things can't go well. So these are stuck down in 2 cylinders. He's getting a misfire. Had a guy change the front valve cover here. And he seems to think because the guy changed the valve cover gasket that he caused a misfire. He shouldn't have to touch his coils. But you have to remove the coils in order to do the valve cover. You have to maintain your vehicle. He actually wants to sue the guy for touching his coils, but you have to touch the coils. Take a good look at that serpentine belt, folks. That is cracking. That's not good. I'll be willing to bet you that the timing belt is in worse shape. 200,000 miles. You have to maintain your vehicle. You can't look to go blaming the mechanic all the time and every time. So we turn it to the side. Yeah. You can barely see it, but you can see it. It's got that light blue. There we go. That light blue showing there. Velcro. It's got brand new Velcro valve cover on it, but there again, you have to change. You have to remove the coil packs to change the valve cover. And a lot of times, at the end of this coil here, that little boot I just showed you, that gets stuck down in there. When you go back with it, you will have a misfire if there's oil and that boot did not come off with the coil. This is a problem. You have to fish these things out. This one here, on this cylinder, it's coming out in pieces. This is the tool you want to use, a hook tool, people. Well, let me get back to it. I'll let y'all know how this comes out.